How to fix the error connection timed out error in Google Chrome. If you're trying to open a website in Chrome and you see this error message, I'll show you a couple of ways to fix it. First, open the Chrome browser and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. If you have any Google Chrome extensions enabled, turn them off by switching the toggle button to Off. Make sure you disable all of your Chrome extensions. Next, click on the 3 vertical dots again and go to Settings. On the left side, scroll down and select Reset Settings. Then click on Reset Settings to their original defaults. After that, click Reset Settings to confirm. Once you've done this, check if the website is loading properly. If the issue is still there, open the Start menu on your computer and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type NESH winsock reset and press Enter. After completing these commands, restart your computer. Once your computer starts again, open Google Chrome and check the website. You should now be able to access websites without getting the connection timed out error.